You are listening to the Love and Money podcast with Shakira, and today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin a good investment? So, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. As far as Bitcoin goes, I'm not going to sway you one way or the other, but I am going to tell you that I invest 1% of my income in Bitcoin. I'd rather have one foot in than not be in at all. Only put in money that you are willing to lose. As you've been seeing on the news, people have been becoming millionaires using cryptocurrency. Yes, of course, this is a speculative asset, um, but you see what's happening on the news with other people. And so that's what I'm doing with the 1%. So it's really a personal choice. But I'm going to talk about Bitcoin a little bit and what is going on with Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin, as you know, is the single largest cryptocurrency. It has a market value of 630.75 billion dollars. Bitcoin has dropped 48.7% from April 12th of $65,503 to $33,630 as of June 23rd, but it's still up 14.5% from 29,374. So it started at 29,374 back in December, and it's at 33,630. So it has risen 14.5% within the year. So this is the same return you would have had if you had your money in the stock market. The S&P 500 is up 14.9% year to date, and Bitcoin, it may rebound this year because it has massive popularity in the blockchain world. There are some negative reports on Bitcoin, such as Goldman Sachs, who is advising retail investors to stay away from Bitcoin. But like I said before, I would rather have um, my foot in there instead of not being in there at all. And then you're only going to put in money that you are willing to lose. This is a speculative asset right now, but as you know, other things have been speculative assets, and people who got in are millionaires now. For example, Amazon used to be a speculative asset, and people who got in, they did very well just because they were in. And if you remember, Tesla used to be a speculative asset. And the people who got in early, they're doing very well now. So just wanted to chime in, let you know what is going on with the cryptocurrencies. There are a whole bunch of different cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin is the most popular, with Ethereum coming in at second. But there are a whole bunch of different coins out there. And if you remember on the news, like I said before, people have become millionaires by investing in things that make no sense at all, such as Dogecoin. Um, there's the millionaire Dogecoin. There is a person who became a trillionaire by investing $20. So investing in something that makes no sense at all, they became millionaires and trillionaires. So you do want to be wise what you invest in. Any um, any expert is going to tell you to never invest in anything that you don't understand. So you do want to be wise on what you choose to invest in. And so cryptocurrency is something where it's a personal decision, and you invest based on your level of comfort. If you're not comfortable at all, then you wouldn't invest in it. But as for me, like I said, I am doing the 1% because I see the people that are becoming millionaires and even trillionaires from something that makes no sense at all. So it would make more sense to me to have 1% in something like that than to have nothing at all in it. So, like I said before, this is a personal decision, and I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. This is for educational purposes. So, you want to seek out your own, do your own financial research and seek out your own financial advisors. So, this is the Love and Money podcast with Shakira. If you like this podcast, please share it with one other person. And please hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. It helps the algorithm. And please drop your email below so that I can stay in contact. Thank you for listening.